All right, welcome back to Shaloha Creations. I've got some exciting news for you guys. Well, at least for me. Shaloha is expanding. Not because I'm making more money or hiring more people, unfortunately, maybe someday. But I am expanding the shop. And this post right here, today in this video, is going to be removed. And I'm going to be putting a I-beam across here to be holding up this section so I can have more room here. Well, this should be the interesting part. I've got to try to get my tractor in here. I'll do a little Austin Powers ear. Black Widow. Black Widow. Black Widow. Black Widow. Wow, there's like 8 Black Widows under there. Well, that sucked. I'm sure I broke something. All right, new direction. That was exciting. I had to go change my pants and apparently shave as well. Yeah, so we're gonna go a new direction. I'm gonna still try to lift that beam up there, but instead of using my tractor just did not have enough oomph to get it up there. So what I think I'm gonna do is use a chain hoist. I'm gonna put a ledger across the roof joist here, put a chain hoist on that, and then try to lift the beam up that way, and maybe put some bracing underneath it as we go, but we'll see. But anyway, the goal here is not to get smashed, and so stay tuned. Let's see if this works. All right, so here I have the support in the center where it's being lifted up. I'm leaving that on, and I supported it on this side because I'm still not able to get it up to position where I need it. So I supported it on this side, and now I've got supports on this side as well. And what I'm gonna do is make sure that this side is where it needs to be, tucked up in, and then I'll jack this side up, and then, like I said, leave this supported, jack this side up, and get it where it needs to be, and then put supports underneath it. beam kicking around my yard for probably 2 years with the intentions of putting it in, and I keep moving it around saying, well, one day I'll put this in. And I went to move it again, and I went, you know what, that day's today. I'm sick of moving this thing around. And now I'm wishing I had done it earlier, because it has really transformed my shop. It's really opened it up. Where this drum sander is now, that's where the post used to be. And so I was able to remove that post. My drum sander used to be up against the wall over here, and every time I'd use it, I'd have to pull it off the wall. I'd have to hook up dust collection. The thing's really heavy, and so it was kind of a pain. And now it's in my shop, in a usable position. I moved some other things around to make the flow of the shop a little bit better, and I'm gonna have dust collection hooked up. So this is a total win. Oh, and you know what else was a total win is I didn't die. That went sideways really quick, and I could have been bad. But the Lord was looking out for me that day. And anyway, if you guys like this channel, and if you like the content that I've been putting out, if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe and like buttons, and as always, Shaloha.